building wealth isn't just about hard work, it's a combination of mindset, belief, and consistent action. Many people miss out on life-changing opportunities because they don't understand this secret. Wealth isn't something you chase, it's something you attract. Today we'll uncover the lost art of commanding wealth, a skill so powerful that it could change your financial destiny forever. This isn't about shortcuts or empty promises. It's about unlocking a proven approach to abundance. Let's look into this transformational journey and discover the steps to take control of your financial reality. The words you speak have more influence over your life than you realize. Every time you say something like, "I'll never afford that," or "I'm broke," you reinforce those beliefs. Words are commands to your subconscious, shaping your actions and reality. Start by becoming mindful of your daily language around money. Replace phrases of limitation with words of abundance and possibility. For example, instead of saying, "I can't afford it," try, "How can I afford it?" This subtle shift reprograms your mind to focus on solutions rather than problems. Over time, this habit creates a mindset that seeks and attracts wealth-building opportunities. Repeating affirmations like, "I am open to receiving unlimited wealth," sets a tone of prosperity in your daily life. Close your eyes and say, "I am deserving of wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and in endless ways." Feel the energy shift as you speak these words. Consistency is key. Practicing this daily will reshape your financial beliefs. Words alone aren't enough. They must be backed by intention and action. When you pair empowering affirmations with practical steps such as budgeting or investing, you create a strong foundation for wealth. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming, it's about mentally rehearsing your future success. This technique has been used by top performers in every field, and it's just as effective in creating wealth. The clearer your vision, the stronger the pull toward achieving it. Take a few minutes each day to picture your ideal financial future. Where are you? What are you doing? How does it feel to live in abundance? Make the vision as vivid as possible, including details like the home you're in, the people around you, or the freedom you enjoy. As you visualize, connect with the emotions of already having what you desire. This emotional connection sends a powerful message to your subconscious, aligning your thoughts and actions with your goals. The second message is the one of the superconscious. If you feel resistance or disbelief, remind yourself that this is a process and that your mind needs time to adjust. Close your eyes and affirm, "I see myself living my dream life. Wealth is my reality and abundance is my birthright." With daily repetition, this practice becomes a guiding force in your journey. Gratitude is often overlooked in wealth creation, but it's one of the most powerful tools for attracting abundance. When you're thankful for what you have, you create space for more blessings to flow into your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, which raises your energy and opens the door to new opportunities. Start a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Include financial blessings, no matter how small. For example, appreciating the money you have now, even if it feels limited, signals to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Close your eyes and say, "I am grateful for all the wealth in my life. My gratitude multiplies my blessings effortlessly." Let this feeling sink in as you reflect on your current abundance. Gratitude doesn't end with words. Show appreciation through action. Use your resources wisely and contribute to others whenever possible. This cycle of giving and receiving strengthens your connection to wealth. Limiting beliefs are the silent barriers holding you back from financial freedom. Phrases like money is the root of all evil or you have to work hard to get rich are deeply ingrained in many of us. These beliefs shape your relationship with money and can sabotage your efforts, no matter how hard you try. Identify these beliefs by reflecting on your thoughts about money. When you think about wealth, what emotions arise? Do you feel guilt, fear, or unworthiness? Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking free. Close your eyes and affirm, I release all beliefs that no longer serve me. I am worthy of limitless wealth and joy. Imagine these limiting thoughts dissolving as you speak. Replacing old beliefs with empowering ones takes time, but it's worth the effort. Wealth doesn't appear out of thin air. It requires action, but not just any action. Inspired action is the key. This means taking steps that align with your goals and values, driven by clarity and purpose rather than fear or desperation. Set clear financial goals, whether it's saving a certain amount, starting a business, or investing wisely. Break these goals into actionable steps and prioritize consistency over perfection. For example, committing to saving a small amount regularly can lead to significant growth over time. Close your eyes and say, I act with confidence and purpose. Every step I take brings me closer to my financial dreams. Use this affirmation to stay motivated and focused. Inspired action also involves staying open to opportunities. Pay attention to ideas, connections, or insights that come your way. Acting on them quickly can create momentum and attract even more abundance. Wealth grows exponentially when it's tied to service. The more value you provide to others, the more abundance you'll receive in return. Whether it's through your job, business, or creative endeavors, focus on solving problems and meeting needs. Ask yourself, how can I make a difference? When your work aligns with your passion and serves others, it creates a ripple effect of success. This approach not only brings financial rewards, but also deep fulfillment. Close your eyes and affirm, I create wealth by serving others with love and dedication. My success uplifts everyone around me. Let this affirmation guide your actions. Wealth building is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Patience and persistence are crucial qualities for sustaining your progress. There will be challenges and setbacks, but these are opportunities to learn and grow. Develop a long-term mindset and stay committed to your vision. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep your motivation high. Consistency is more important than perfection. Close your eyes and say, I trust the process. My wealth grows steadily and abundantly every day. Feel the reassurance of this truth. Knowledge is power when it comes to commanding wealth. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, take courses, or seek advice from financial experts. Staying informed gives you confidence and opens new doors to opportunities. Close your eyes and affirm, I am always learning and growing. My financial knowledge empowers me to achieve greatness. Commit to lifelong learning in this area. Your intuition is a powerful tool for wealth creation. It guides you toward the right opportunities and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Learn to listen to your inner voice and trust its wisdom. Practice quieting your mind through meditation or mindfulness. It allows you to hear your intuition more clearly. Combine it with rational analysis for balanced decision-making. Close your eyes and say, I trust my intuition to lead me toward wealth and abundance. Every decision I make brings me closer to success. Follow this guidance with confidence. Wealth often comes in unexpected ways, so stay open to surprises. And when you focus on abundance, the universe responds in ways you can't always predict. Release the need to control every detail and trust that things will work out in your favor. Gratitude, faith, and positive energy create a fertile ground for miracles to happen. Close your eyes and affirm, "I welcome miracles into my life. Abundance flows to me in perfect timing." Keep your heart open to receiving. The lost art of commanding wealth lies in a combination of mindset, belief, and inspired action. By applying these principles consistently, you will not only attract abundance, but also transform your relationship with money. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about living a life of purpose and freedom. If you found value in this, like and subscribe for more insights. Together, we'll keep exploring the path to a richer, more fulfilling life.